Okay, so no one is having idea. Okay, so let's start. Who are the top three? First, we'll go with the final toppers. Okay, those who have cleared the exam with 90% and above. Okay, so here are they. The first one is Sarpreet Singh with 94%. Second one is Karan Johar with 92%. Third one is Sidhu Sai Krishna with 91%. Fourth one is Sakshi Srivastava with 90%. And fifth one is Saurabh Sharma with 88%. Congratulations. Okay, the paper was not really hard, but yes, you guys did well, and you have performed very well in the final exam. Okay, the exam was not mandatory; it is only for your practice purpose. But yes, you guys have done good in it. Okay, so the last slide will be for top three. So any guesses who will be the top three interns, those who will get key cyber goodies from us, and also top three interns will directly get key cyber recruitment to the final round. There will be no round for technical assessment, etc., etc. So who are the top three? Any guesses? Yes, those who have got 100. Okay, there are, but no one knows. I guess those who have seen the mark list or mark sheet, you have know that those who are got 100%. Okay, so let's start it. Who are the top three? The first one is Shona Anjum with 100%. The second one is Yavan Sabiti with 100%. And the third one is Ansh Goyal with 98%. Congratulations, Ansh. I don't know anyone of else are here, but I guess yes, you are here, right? So congratulations, you did it well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then you will get key cyber goodies within 1 or 2 months. Okay. Also, you will get directly entry for our final round when we will start recruitment for key cyber. Okay, at any position, the job will be freelancer or contract based. There will be no terms and conditions from us that when you are working with key cyber, you do not have that much of that you cannot work with another organization. It is only freelancing or contractual work, whatever the key cyber is doing now. Okay, so you have opportunity to directly get in for the final round. And who are the top 15? Okay, in the top 15, top 3 are included. Okay, so let's start it. Who are the top 15? Okay, so anyone is having idea? Okay, those who are very clever, they know that I have a call your name in groups. Okay, so let's start it. Who are the top 15? Okay, the first one is Shivana Anjum with 100%. Second one is Yavan with 100%. Third one is Ansh Goel with 98%. Okay, so any guesses who are the top 15? Okay, top 15 will get 60 plus cybersecurity related books. Also, you will get chance for the recruitment process. Okay, you do not have to send us your resume and later we will review your resume and then we will let you know. Okay, then you will directly get into the recruitment process of key cyber whenever the recruitment will start it. Okay, the fourth one is Kunal Das with 98%. The fifth one is Dhanvantari with 98%. The sixth one is Abu Tahir with 97%. The seventh one is Dadrea with 97%. The eighth one is Mohak Ledha with 96.5%. Then the eighth one is Abhishek Kumar Saha with 95.5%. The 10th one is Rupali Sharma with 93.5%. The 11th one is Shiva Teja with 92%. The 12th one is Chetan Bansal with 92%. The 13th one, Mukesh Kumar Rao with 85%. The 14th one, Sahil More with 77.5%. And the last but not the least, Jaydev Joshi with 76%. Okay, so congratulations, guys. You did it well. Also, okay, there are lots of many interns, those who have gone through interaction sessions, but yes, you top 15 have answered the questions correctly many times. Okay, so anyone who wants to share your experience, whatever you wanted to share, because today we are not going to discuss any technical assets. So anyone who wants to share your experience, anyone?
Ma'am, the experience was very good. We got to learn a lot of new things. There are many tools about which I don't know. There are many things like the IT laws and all. You have also shared the material for that, which is very helpful for me. Like even in the, I did one more internship where it helped me a lot. So overall, it was very good. I also wrote the article, like the topic, which was in the first time I wrote something by my own. So I started doing something new as well because of the internship. So thank you so much for the internship. It was a very great experience.
Okay, anyone else?
मैम इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला मैम इस इंटर्नशिप से
Okay, thank you. Anyone else?
थैंक यू मैम फॉर एवरीथिंग
ओके, अभी तो बहुत कुछ शेयर करना बाकी है, ये रिकॉर्डिंग बहुत सारी शेयर करनी है, so we'll share
ओके मैम
when I will get free. Okay, so after internship, there will be one activity will be going on. Okay, so yes, as of now, I guess 90% people, those who are interns in first batch, those all are students, right? So yes, we'll do one activity. So according to that, you will learn new stuff also, and you will also update it with me. But yes, you have to tell me whenever you will get in touch with me or contact with me. You have to tell me your roll number, okay, and with your name, okay, because I most of the interns I know about their name and according to their roll number, but sometimes I did not recognize them. So yes, whenever you wanted to get contact with me, so yes, you need to tell me your roll number and name also. Okay. So anyone is having doubt after that, what we are going to do after an internship? Okay, your internship is ended on 15th of July. Okay, so your 60 plus books will be given to you by next Saturday, Sunday, and the goodies will be those who are top three. The goodies will be dispatched to you within 1 or 1.5 months. Okay, because of COVID-19. Okay, so anyone is having idea what we are going to do after? Okay, we have completed our internship. So what we are going to do after that?
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can I just share my small experiences?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, I would like to give a huge thank you and gratitude to all of my friends and the Harshita C. Jadhav ma'am. You've been amazing because at first it was a COVID time when you started the internship. So we as a students would be keep searching for internships or something like this. And being in a COVID situation, I think very few internships started up, and you were the one among those few who came up for giving the opportunities for the students like us who actually wanted to do something, the internships, and learn new things. So wholeheartedly thank you for putting up this internship. And we learned a lot of things, and also for patiently listening to us, though we were wrong, though we were right, patiently listening to us and giving us the right comments, and your comments helped in each and every way. So that's how it was an amazing experience overall for all 6 months as a family. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else? Any drawbacks? Okay, because I know there are drawbacks also, but anyone wants to share any drawbacks of our internship or not? Anyone? Okay, because if the program is successful, there is any at least one single drawback also. So anyone who wants to share? I will not get hurted. Okay, so don't worry about it. Anyone?
Ma'am, actually, like we can't say like there are drawbacks, but we learned a lot of things from this internship, and like we are thinking it as a very good opportunity, ma'am. Like it's a pleasant experience in this 6 months.
The internship period, why I have mentioned for 6 months, because yes, I am very busy in different work also. So according to that, I have to manage everything, right? Because when it goes to editing, so I will directly share with my backend team. But when it goes for whenever you will share your ebooks, okay, so I have to read each and every point. So that's why those who have sent me your ebooks at the last time, we are editing and we will publish those books within a 1 month. Okay, don't worry about it. And whatever your video you have sent it to me, okay, we'll review. Okay, I have reviewed and I have give you a mark. But yes, it needs to be published, so it will be published within 1 or 2 months. Okay, don't worry about it. So that's why I have scheduled the 6 month program, because I am very much busy. Okay, so according to that, I don't think so. I have there'll be so many gap between us, because I am always connected with you. After that, also you will get 100% support from me. Okay, so whenever you need anything, any query, any guidance, I will be there. And about research paper, okay. So now I'm going to give you some topics. Those who are really wanted to write a research paper, so yes, I will give you a topic and I will guide you. Okay. So according to that, between the internships, because I am only focusing on internship, and I just wanted to know that those who are interested in a research paper, okay, it is not for me, it is not for our company, but it is for you. When you will write any research paper in any Indian or international journal, so yes, of course you will get publicity, and of course you will get a chance to work with their journal or with their organization also. Okay, so we'll start working on a research paper from Monday. Okay, those who really want to write, so we'll guide you for sure. So any queries, anyone wants to say something?
मैम बेसिकली रिसर्च पेपर में ऐसा मतलब होता क्या है मैम, मतलब जैसे कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो तो हम नेट पे से भी देख सकते हैं, तो मतलब उसमें कुछ अलग होता है मैम रिसर्च पेपर में? जैसे कि एक बार आप ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे मैम?
ये जो आप रिसर्च पेपर, मतलब अगर लेट टेक वन एग्जांपल ऑफ साइबर क्राइम्स, ओके, तो साइबर क्राइम आप अगर इंटरनेट पे सर्च करोगे, यस देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स यू कैन सर्च, राइट? बट अगर आप मॉडस ऑपरेंडी लेते हो पेटीएम का, ओके, चल लेट्स गेट वन एग्जांपल ऑफ पेटीएम फ्रॉड. तो पेटीएम फ्रॉड कैसा आता है? सो वी एवरीवन नो दैट क्यूआर कोड स्कैन करके या फिर ओटीपी डाल के, बट हाउ इट विल बी हैपन? बिकॉज नेट पर आप देखते हो, so दे आर ओनली सेइंग दैट कि ऐसी मॉडस ऑपरेंडी होती है जो है, बट एग्जैक्टली रिसर्च पेपर में वी हैव टू रिसर्च ऑन इट कि ऐसा करने से ये भी होता है, बट उसका माइटिगेशन क्या होगा, उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्या होगा, वी नीड टू राइट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन दैट। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट रिसर्च पेपर होता है। अगर आप डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक्स का लेंगे, डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक व्हाट इज मीन बाय डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक, टाइप्स ऑफ डिजिटल, ये तो सब जगह है, बट वी नीड टू रिसर्च ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक। आप रेफरेंस किसी से भी ले सकते हैं, नेट से ले सकते हो, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बुक से ले सकते हैं, बट यस यू नीड टू राइट ओवर इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। ओके, कि ऐसा नहीं होता कि कॉपी कर दिया, टेस्ट कर दिया, वैसा नहीं होता। सो यू नीड टू रिसर्च ऑन दैट थिंग। ओके, नाउअडेज machine learning, artificial intelligence are in trend. So according to that, you will write digital forensic research paper within that topic. So yes, you will get your research paper will be get published in international और national journals also. So according to that, research paper एक पूरा different होता है, and जो article blogs होते हैं वो पूरे different होते हैं। research paper में हमें totally research करना पड़ता है कि अबाउट न्यू माइटिगेशन क्या होगा उस चीज का, जैसे हम बग बाउंटी में करते हैं कि इस बग का माइटिगेशन ये, राइट। सो हाउ वी कैन स्टॉप दिस क्राइम, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी नीड टू रिसर्च और वी नीड टू पुट आवर ओन वर्ड कि हाँ ऐसा ऐसा होने से हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, तो ऐसा ऐसा होने से हम वैसा कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रिसर्च पेपर। ओके, विद इन 15 days मैं मीटिंग रख लूंगी, उसमें जिनको लिखना है रिसर्च पेपर वो आ जाए, क्योंकि मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है वो ग्रुप में है, अभी तक मैंने सुबह ही देखा। और सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट विल गाइड यू। सो एनी क्वेरीज गाइस?
हेलो मैम।
यस
मैम, रिसर्च पेपर पे जो आप बता रहे हैं वो सेशंस होंगे या फिर लाइक ग्रुप बनेगा, उसके अंदर आप शेयर करेंगे कुछ रीडिंग?
ग्रुप तो पहले से ही है शायद, राइट। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ग्रुप में जो होंगे बंदे वो पहले मैं सेशन ले लूंगी, हर महीने में एक एक सेशन होगा। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मैं आपकी जो भी प्रोग्रेस है मैं वो भी देख सकूंगी कि हाँ अगर आप डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक्स में लिखना चाहते तो मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि आपको टॉपिक कौन सा उसमें लिखना चाहिए, कि वो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वो पब्लिकली भी पब्लिश हो जाए। और अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट तो हर एक महीने में एक एक मीटिंग होगी। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट जितने भी बंदे हो गए मैं उनकी प्रोग्रेस चेक करूंगी कि हाँ इस बंदे ने इतना इतना लिखा है, इस बंदे ने इतना इतना रिसर्च किया। तो आपको वो रिसर्च करके कितना टॉपिक उसमें लिखना है वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। ओके, हर मंथ में एक एक सेशन होगा उसका। सो विल गो फॉर इट। So guys, anyone is having any queries? Okay, जो एक्टिविटीज होंगी वो मैं आपको विद इन 1 month बता दूंगी, क्योंकि अभी इंटर्नशिप तो खत्म हो गई है। जिनके एल और बाकी है मैं उनको दे दूंगी। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू हाँ जो भी आपके इंसेंटिव्स है वो भी आपको विद इन 15 months में 15 days में मिल जाएंगे। और जो गुडीज है वो विद इन 1.5 month में मिल जाएंगे। ओके, सो यस, मैं ना वो रिसर्च ग्रुप का लिंक है वो अपने ग्रुप में डाल देती हूँ। तो जिनको लिखना है इन फ्यूचर, ऐसा नहीं कि अभी के अभी लिखना है, इन फ्यूचर जिनको भी लिखना है यू कैन जॉइन दैट ग्रुप। तो विल गो फॉर इट। ओके, so those who are not having queries, so shall we close our session?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more small thing, ma'am. It is not a, I'm not telling it is a drawback, ma'am, but it is just that आप हम लोग 6 महीने की इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं, तो आप इसके बीच में एज अ गेस्ट लेक्चर बुला सकते हैं, सिंस यू आर टाइड होपफुली यू आर टाइड अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ probably
गेस्ट लेक्चर्स होने वाले हैं। वो विद इन 15 अगस्त के बाद होंगे, बिकॉज मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि पहले हम 6 month की इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। उसमें आप मैंने जो जो सिखाया, राइट, जो भी मैंने सिखाया आपको वो समझा नहीं समझा वो इज डिपेंड ऑन यू। बट जो जो समझा कि अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, क्योंकि मैंने हर एक के रेज्यूमे देखे वो सब इथिकल हैकर, बग बाउंटी हंटर, पेन टेस्टर थे और प्रोग्रामर थे। क्योंकि जितने भी मैंने रेज्यूमे देखे उसमें किसी का भी डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक्स और इन्वेस्टिगेशन किसी में भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था। तो मैंने वही किया कि 6 month की पहले इंटर्नशिप ले लो, एंड आफ्टर दैट क्योंकि आपको बेसिकली नॉलेज आ जाएगी कि आपने क्या क्या टॉपिक लिखे पढ़ा है उसमें, राइट? So with after 15 August there will be guest lectures also, so don't worry about it. Okay. So shall we close